Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace the hazard light switch panel. Okay, this one right here on Mercedes W211. In case you need to replace yours, it's not functioning, or you need to get to the switches, we'll show you how to do that. Stay with us and let's start on it and show you how we removed it. You need to make sure you have your emergency brake on, okay, because we need to make sure that we put the shifter in neutral, that way we have more room, you see why. Okay, like that. Turn the key off if you need to, okay, and next we need to pop it open on the front, okay, right there. Pull it out, open this one now, and you need to, okay, lift it up like that, and you will need to pull it out. You have the wires for the lighter there, but we'll just leave them on. Now you need to open, okay, this compartment right here, and underneath guys you have two screws, okay, one there and one on the other side as well, so we'll need to remove those now. Okay, so those are with the Torx 20 E20 there, the two screws. Okay, one is out, now another one. Okay, the second one came out as well. Now you can go ahead, okay, let me just close it. We can close, okay, that compartment here now. We're going to pull it out. But first you need to disconnect the wires on the bottom. Pull them out, we forgot about that. Okay, and now you can go ahead and remove, okay, the whole assembly. Okay, like that. So that's how you remove it guys. Some vehicles have the CD changer here, so there will be minor differences, but basically the same procedure. So thank you for watching, please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.